This video is about document 6 titled Fertilization. In chapter 1, Basic Mechanisms of Sexual Reproduction, and at the end of it the student will be able to define fertilization and indicate its site, list certain necessary conditions for fertilization, and define the life cycle and list its phases. First, fertilization is the union of two haploid gametes, a sperm cell and an ovum. It gives rise to a diploid cell called zygote, that is the first cell of the new individual. So, where does fertilization occur? What are the factors that affect fertilization, and what is a life cycle? At the end of a sexual intercourse, 3 to 4 milliliter of semen are deposited in the vagina, and they contain around 300 million sperm cells that start moving from the vagina through the cervix to the uterus and finally to one of the two fallopian tubes, which is the site of fertilization. The set of these four organs, vagina, cervix, uterus, and fallopian tube, is called female genital tract. During their passage in the female genital tract, most of sperm cells degenerate. The others undergo certain changes so that they become able to fertilize the oocyte. This is termed capacitation, and at the site of fertilization, the sperm cells keep their fertilizing capacity for 48 to 72 hours. Now, if ovulation takes place, an oocyte 2 blocked at metaphase 2 passes from the ovary to the fallopian tube, and this oocyte keeps its fertility for 24 to 48 hours. Usually, hundreds of sperm cells reach the oocyte, but only one of them fertilizes it, and this fertilization gives the zygote that moves towards the uterus. Now, what about the life cycle? The life cycle of an individual includes two alternating phases: a diploid phase that starts with fertilization and a haploid phase that starts with meiosis. In humans, the haploid phase is limited to the formation of gametes by meiosis. In male testicles, to give a haploid sperm cell, and in female ovaries to give haploid ova. So this is only the haploid phase. Now, the union of the sperm cell and the ovum by fertilization gives a diploid zygote that undergoes mitosis and development to give a man or a woman. So in humans, the diploid phase is the dominant phase.